What's up, everybody? Today we are going to be coding Ant Smasher. This is a game that was originally on iOS, I think. Anyway, let's get started. Let me begin the timer. 3, 2, 1, go, and we will try it. And doc type HTML. Let's get some HTML tags. ML there. HTML. And then head. And then head. Let's get script, text equals text slash JavaScript, and what I'm realizing is that my screen, or I need to zoom in, really, so I will do that in just a second. There we go. Nice. Let's change that. Let's change this to, our file, Ant Smasher. Cool. Let me zoom in. Should be good. Ant Smasher. Cool. Let's create a... Actually, no, I'm gonna... function setup. Create canvas. We'll do, like, 400 by 600 should be good. Width, height. Function, draw. Background 51. Nice. Okay, let's test it. Cool, it's working. Now we're going to create function insect. Cool. Oh, didn't mean to do that. There we go. Now insect.js. Then here we will save it. It will be xy. We'll give it an x and a y. We will say, actually, we won't give it a y. Okay, so now we'll do type. So this dot position equals create vector, x and height, or actually 0. We want them all starting at 0. That's good. This dot type equals type, so we'll say 0 equals ant, 1 equals b or something. No, we won't have a type. Yeah. Here we'll do ant. No, we'll do type. 1 equals ant, or 0 equals ant, 1 equals b. Insect. Nope. Not insect, or not inspect, insect. Prototype, no, prototype dot draw equals function. And then this is where we will say something like, ellipse, actually, fill, we'll say, fill, and we'll say this dot type equals 0. If it equals 0, we're going to say, if it equals 0 and it's an ant, we will make it whatever this color is. No, make it whatever that color is. There we go. And if it's a bee, we will make it kind of a reddish. There we go. Let's try that. Stroke 255. Stroke weight 3. And we will do an ellipse at this dot position dot x, this dot position dot y. There we go. Width and height, those will be constants. This dot r equals 20. That's what we'll do. This dot r, that should be good. Within, we are also going to have a what's it called function? Update function. Let's rename this to heck. No. Why isn't it letting me? There. I don't understand atoms sometimes. Okay, now within update, we're gonna say this dot position dot y plus equals speed. We'll create a speed variable. This dot x equals cosine of this dot here. My bad. This dot position dot x equals. What does it equal? I'm gonna sneeze. Goodness. Why am I not sneezing yet? Oh goodness. This dot position dot y times 100 or times width really. There we go. So that's cool. Here we'll do this dot offset. Oh no, I don't want it width. Why'd I do that? I'll do this dot off equals random 50. It really doesn't matter. Or plus this dot off. That should be good. Times width over 4 or something like that. And what we'll do now is we will say here. No. That's not what we'll do. This dot serp distance serpentine distance serpentine. There we go. Yes, I spelled it correctly. We'll do random between that, and we will say this dot serp divided by this dot serp. That should be good. And we draw it, and we have nothing created, and I need to reference it also. Insect.js. Within ant smasher, we are going to say var bugs equals an array, and within this, if frame count mod 120 equals 0, if random is greater than 0.6, we are going to bugs.push new insect, and we give it an x, so random width over 2 really, or no, what it needs to be, it needs to be random of 3 plus 2, so that sometimes, yeah, okay, let's do random width over 2 plus width over 4, so that they all appear near the middle of the screen. And what we'll say is whether it's an ant or not. Here, we'll just say if this dot type, so that should be good. True equals ant, false equals b. There we go. So you don't want to squash the b's. So then we'll do random greater than 0.8. There we go. This needs to be dwindled to 60. Okay, so now we'll say for var I equals 0, I is less than bugs.length. You know what, we need to loop through it backwards. Bugs.length minus 1, I is greater than or equal to 0. Oh, I wasn't even paying attention to the chat, but I will now look at the chat. Hang on. Oh, there we go. Profit Proof, how you doing, my man? How you doing? Hope you're having a wondrous day. I need to loop through this backward. Really, I need to say is if bugs of I dot position dot y is greater than height. End game. There we go. So now what we do is we need to say function end game, and we will just say console dot log. Here we'll type it out. Why not? Fill 255 no stroke text size 60 should be good there, and then text game over. I need to capitalize the O, and let's say game over at width over 2, height over 2. And what I'll do now is say, my bad. Let me do text align center. Oh, didn't mean to do that. There we go. Okay. Center, we want it to be left aligned. Text size 30. There we go. We're going to draw score, but then draw score we're gonna say text score. We'll create a var score. Var score equals, my bad. Oh. Score equals 0, and within this we'll just say 10 comma, what's the height of it? Here, we'll go for 40. I'm not exactly sure if that will be great, but we need to fill with 255, say no stroke, and that should be good. See what this does. Should now push, okay, position of undefined. We say I equals bugs.length -1. Oh, this needs to be minus. Let's try it. Oh, it's 2:53 a.m. here, but it was a good day. Last day ever going to school to sign up. Oh, nice. This is your last day of school. That's awesome. I'm jealous. I'm envious. Nah, I like school. I just don't like summer school. I'm in summer school right now, and it takes up such a long time. Let's see. So what's wrong with this at this moment? Are we not? Oh, my bad. What needs to happen is we need to update the bugs. I completely forgot. Bugs of I dot update bugs of I dot draw. Nice. Syntax error, it expected at line 26. Oh, bugs dot of I. It was 14, but I needed to sign something. I am 16. Was that like actual last day? Okay, seed is not defined. Speed, right. Goodness, I keep messing things up. Var speed equals, say, score equals 0, speed equals 0. There we go. Well, no, speed equals 1, or something like 5. You will say if frame count mod every how many seconds? 10 seconds, I'm thinking. So that should be 600 equals 0. Speed plus. There we go. You subscribed? Oh, I did. Oh, why did I remove it? Oh, I unlisted all my videos. It's not technically deleted, but I unlisted all of them just to make everything cleaner. Maybe I'll unlist a few of them. A few of the popular ones. I don't know though. I didn't think anybody wanted to still watch them. That's why. Okay, so if this happens, here, we need a this.squashed equals false. in update, or not in update, we need to check if this dot, or bugs of I dot squashed, we need to delete it from the array. So there we go. Oh wait, oh, that's that one. Okay, I kind of needed that there. There we go. So if it's squashed, then we delete it from the array. So we say bugs.splice I, comma 1. And also we'll say score plus plus. I'd like to switch these. There we go. I mean, you liked it a lot. Yeah. Aw, thanks. You know how to do Minecraft plugins? Yes, I do. But I haven't done them in a while. But I did them. I made a whole server network, but yeah, it didn't work out. Minecraft really isn't profitable, at least for Java anymore. I'm going off tangent. Okay, let's see. We need to make an on click. So function mouse pressed, I think it is. There we go. We'll console.log mouse X, mouse Y. Cool. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Those are some jittery. Ah, there we go. That's much better. They jitter a little bit less now. So why are they all... Huh. So what's up with this? Cosine. Here, we'll multiply this by 0.001. Let's try that. Okay, that's not enough. Oh, let's do that. Ah, yes. Cool, cool. They're all starting in the wrong place, though. Oh, that's why. Times width. Right. Plus this dot position dot x. Actually, we need this dot origin equals x. 0, 0 plus this dot origin. There we go. So now it should, yes, there we go. There we go, nice. Speed is going to, I thought no stroke would, or no loop. What did I mess up on? End game, oh, I didn't put no loop. Well, you're working now on, okay. So we need some help with the skies. Yes, okay, so I actually have a disguise plugin already pretty much made. It's a kind of nice one. I don't know. It's not an amazing one. I'm probably gonna have to remake it. Really, that will probably be the case because it was really poorly made. It was just kind of like a prototype. Okay, so I will give you my my email. That's where I normally contact through, is email, but I can get on Twitter if you'd like. My Twitter is Kalinator17. that is my Twitter, Kalinator17. Anyways, but yeah, maybe I'll start answering my Twitter messages. But yeah, I'm very busy, so I don't know if that's gonna be possible. Let's make the speed less, and I haven't even. Oh, this is difficult, dude. I like it. So what happens? What happens if it's a B? Here, actually, I just need to get mouse pressed. So for var I equals 0, equals 0, I is less than I is less than bugs.length I plus plus. There we go. Now I plus plus, we will say if bugs dot squashed by mouse x mouse y. If it's squashed by it, here we'll say bugs dot squashed equals that. There we go. Cool. Pretty simple. Oh, my bad. I need to do bugs of I, and let's see. We'll do insect.prototype. What is it? Squashed by. Squashed by equals function xy. My bad, there we go. Let's try this. If here var d equals dist between xy this dot position dot x this dot position dot y. There we go. That's that. And we will say if d is less than this dot r, we'll say we'll just return this then. I don't know why I always mess things up like this. Let's put the parentheses around it. Gotta delete this. There we go. Cool. So if it's squashed, we splice it. I may want to make the radius a bit. Ah, yes, got it. Nice. Dude, this is difficult, I gotta say. Oh, please don't be off the screen. Oh, okay, that was a B. So the ants are red, the B is blue. I don't really want the B to be blue, so we had a game over. Here, what we will do if it's greater than that, and bugs of I dot type. And what happened is actually it's the other way around. It's true equals B. So if not type, so if it's a B, we need to let it through. There we go. So that was pretty simple. We don't even need to, here. Okay, so what I wanted to happen there is, okay, goodness, they're always, no, okay. So they all go the same way, but I kind of, that's a bummer, yo. Why did it do that? Oh, I need to follow you. Okay, I will do that in a little bit. So I have this. We also need to say if bugs of I dot squashed and bugs of I dot type end game. There we go. We need to constrain them to the width. But that should be a good enough constraint, to be honest. Width divided by, here, we'll do divided by 3. We'll add 3 to it. And then we will say, yeah, okay, that'll be fine. There. So they're all coming from, yeah, I don't know if I like how they're, ugh, there we go. Yeah, okay, let's actually add, okay, times, let's do this. this dot serp plus this dot serp times 10. There we go. This is such a crazy, I don't know, I'm just trying to get them to be, yeah, there we go. Oh gosh. Okay, that's fine. Oh, dude. Yeah, okay, and then it was game over. But it just kind of froze. I don't understand why it... Huh. Okay, let's make the radius a bit bigger. Radius equals 40. That game is good. It is, isn't it? If you'd like to play it, it'll be probably... Oh wow, it's a big ant. This is difficult. There we go. Oh wow, that was quick. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, whoa. Okay, no. Why is that so hard? Okay, I'm having too much fun with this. I'm slowing them down. There we go. There. Okay, come on. Cool. I've never tried, but I think it'd be super simple to make an Android game. It'd probably be just a little bit of Googling. Sounds simple. Maybe I'd have to download a library. But I've worked with a lot of libraries, and I've heard Android is really easy to do. Yeah, possibly. Let's see. I just really haven't... I'm not a game developer. I don't like making games. I like the technical part of it, but you know, to get viewers, people like games, so that's why I do it. That's why I stream this. So why is this happening? It stops. We end game. Say no loop. And we need to say what? Okay, so console.log flag. Let's just let. Okay, well that's a B. Okay, so flag. So flags. Seems like we're painting too much. Let's see this one go down. Game over. So that one's fine. We end game. We end game, but we're in a loop, maybe? Okay, okay, what I think needs to happen is I think we need to, break out of this. There we go. Or we could possibly return. Let's let it go down, really. There we go. Okay, so that one pops up with game over. It doesn't pop up with game over, though. Huh. I don't understand. So what's up? What's up here? End game, we have the same exact method. Fill, no stroke, text size, text align, text. I'm baffled now. We say flag. That makes sense. If we end the game here, it's just the same. No. Okay, that's that. And bugs of type. This is where we need to break, I guess. Let's try this. Break. I don't think this would change anything. But we can try. I think it's the fact that I have it in a mouse pressed. Okay, it seems like... Yeah, I can't tell though. Mouse pressed, end game, break. Alrighty. Cool. Awesome. I'll probably be finished by then, but I will add you on Twitter, or I will follow you on Twitter, and we will go from there. So, I think it's the fact that we have it in a mouse pressed. We say no loop, and I want to draw it again. If this happens, I want it to, here, we'll just do set timeout. Here, we'll set timeout on an anonymous function. Let's see. Window, set timeout. Function, there we go. That's how we do it. Function, there. Let's move all this into there. We'll just, this is a lazy way of, a really lazy way of, of solving the problem, but I honestly don't really know another way, and I'd like to go to bed because it's been a really, really long day, as with yesterday. That's why I'm doing simple games like this ant game. But really, I'm enjoying the ant games a lot. Okay, so why is it still not, then? Dude, I just want to go to bed. I'm tired. And yes, that says game over. What? Okay, so set timeout. Good. I'm glad it didn't work, to be quite honest with you. Control Shift Tab. I don't know what I just did. Shift Tab is what I meant to say. No stroke, fill, text size, text align. Game over. What we will do actually is ellipse, width over 2, height over 2, and we will say 50. That's what we'll do. We should see a big dot appear, the radius of 50. There we go. Let's F5. Let's try this now, because I feel like it's got something to do with how we're drawing the text. Cool. Okay. Yeah, it's still not doing it. It's not drawing the ellipse at all. Flag. Let's go back to flagging it. Okay. There. Give me a B. Hey. Give me a B. There we go. So that happens. We say no loop. It flags. Everything's good. Everything's good. Yet, I don't know why it's... I don't understand why it's, doing this like this. Here, we'll just... This will be another slapshotty way of doing it. Playing equal, playing. Playing equals true. What I will do here now is say, if not playing, then we draw. If not playing, we're good. Control, or not control, there we go, cool. We just say no loop, then end game. Now let's try this. Okay, it doesn't seem to, okay, let's try this now. Let's try it. Okay. Let's get them. What's up, MC? How you doing? Nice to see you here. You're on your phone? Mobile devices actually make up an insanely large quantity of the total internet traffic, according to Google or YouTube. Okay, so now neither of them are working. Oh my gosh. Playing equals false. There we go. That's all good. I took a 1 week vacation off of a game a day, not off of. Never mind. So this honestly should have been over within the first 25 minutes, but the past like 9 minutes have been me trying to debug why game over doesn't pop up when you lose. Okay, yes, good. We don't need to draw that, and let's try this simple one. Yay! Game over. It works. That's good enough for me. I know it's, I don't know, game programming isn't my thing, but I would spend more time on this particular project. But I've had a really long day, and I've got to wake up early in the morning again. I've started like summer school and cross country. We had to push back cross country practice to 6 a.m. and then I work until 6. So oh gosh. Yeah, that's why it's, I don't know, I'm just extremely busy, and somehow I'm still I don't know why I'm still doing a game a day, but I'm devoted to it. So yeah, sorry for that little rant. It's not that I don't enjoy doing this, it's just I'm super tired when I do get around to doing it. So that's why I'm kind of relieved once I finish the game, because that means I can go to bed, and it's 8:20, and I need all the hours I can get. Anyways, that's about all. Thank you for joining me. Thank you, MC. I'm sorry that it has to end so quick, but for aforementioned reasons, I will be leaving early. But the game is finished. That's my goal. That is my goal. If you have any suggestions for games, be sure to write them in the comment section, because I'm running out of games. Simple, preferably simple 2D games, just like this Ant one. You know, not much to it, but you know, not 3D either. Anyways, I'm an underachiever when it comes to game programming, or a game a day, but I still get it done, and that's my goal. A finished game that you guys can play or learn something from, and that's my goal. And probably the time that I've spent speaking about why I'm ending early, I probably could have implemented something like colors to this, or I don't know, make it better in some way. Anyways, that's about all. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace, peace.